My very own pilaf rice recipe. For the ingredients, we'll be needing 2.5 cups of rice, 300 grams chicken breast, 100 grams potatoes and 100 grams carrots, 20 grams capsicum, 20 grams minced garlic, 40 grams chopped onions, chopped parsley, salt, black pepper, turmeric, and vegetable oil. On a hot pot, sear your chicken breast until golden brown. Set aside the meat, then pour on some oil. Sauté your onion, garlic, capsicum, and carrots. Put back the chicken meat. Now season with salt and pepper to taste. Then put on some turmeric powder for flavor and color. While sautéing, wash the rice thoroughly. Then pour on the rice, then add an extra 2.5 cups of water. Also, throw in the potatoes and half of the parsley, then set aside the other half later on for garnish. Let it boil on high heat for 5 to 10 minutes. Then let it simmer until cooked. After about 15 to 20 minutes, get ready to indulge your appetite. Enjoy!